Jizzah is everywhere. She's inside everyone and everything. I don't mean that in a dirty way. Her energy flows through the universe, making everything divine. And there are ways to increase and purify this energy in certain areas. This process is called enchantment. Okay, so enchanting happens in 2 simple steps. Step 1, drive out the veganism. And step 2, increase pleasantness. To demonstrate this, I'm going to use the charred and water damaged remains of the divine collaboration. Okay, I got what I think is some pig fat. So yeah, this is step 1. I am just beating the veganism out of this book using a meat product. You don't have to use pig fat, you can use sausage, chops, cooked meat, just... There are many different ways to do this. You can use a stick. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so for step 2... Okay, so for step 2, I've got some hundreds and thousands. I'm just gonna sprinkle this onto the book like this. Just sprinkle it on. So yeah, this is making the book more colorful and playful and increasing its pleasantness, and this should keep the vegans away from it for a while. You will have to repeat this process. I mean, unless you use very strong methods, you will have to repeat this process occasionally. Yeah, this should be enough. So yeah, that's the basic 2-step process. And isn't this better? I mean, look at this book. Isn't this book better now? Yeah, obviously it is. That's why I'm showing this to you. Enchanting is a very useful skill that everyone should have. I mean, it just makes your life better. Like, you know how your life sucks? Yeah. If you enchant everything, it's just better. Enchanting is a useful life skill that all of you should know. Oh yeah. This is the most important thing. This ritual only works if you don't question it. So, shh. So yeah, I'm gonna enchant the entire house now. And in order to do that, I'm gonna use fire and explosions. And I also have some glitter here. I think it's my sister's. Okay. Be gone! Vegans! So yeah, I'm just using the explosions from these pop-pops to scare the vegans away. Be gone, vegans! You know how glass stuff occasionally breaks? That's vegans. Ah! Not having anything to eat in the fridge. Vegans! Grocery shopping too. Vegans! Food getting moldy in the fridge. Vegans! Shit! Good enough. Dirty dishes. Dirty dishes. Why do they exist? Why? Vegans. That's why. Be gone! The price of gas. Veganism! This range hood isn't actually connected to, like, it just, like, this range hood here, like, it just sucks stuff up and spits it right onto the ceiling. Like, it's not connected to any outlet or anything. It's so dumb. Microwaves not evenly heating food. Vegans! So yeah, I've scared most of the veganism away, but there's still some, like, of the vegan essence still in the air. There is a way. I'm just going to use a couple of sparklers to scare that away. Like, fire generally does a good job. Fire, or just, you can just, like, tie meat onto a string and just swing it around your head. Okay, there. That should do it. So yeah, now the veganism has been removed from this room. I've got a couple of scented candles. I'll light them to make this place more pleasant. Their pleasant smell should drive the vegans away for a while. Yeah, you see the crack in the ceiling fan over there? You see that crack in the ceiling fan? Vegans. Ah! You know how light bulbs tend to burn out sometimes? Veganism. You know how the wireless box doesn't work half the time? Vegan people. You know how the TV remote is always out of reach? Vegans. You know how you lose shit in between the seat cushions? V. Wait, I don't think that's gonna work. Vegans. Close enough. Close enough. Vegans. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, we're good. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of extra glitter onto the YYC box because that thing really doesn't work half the time. Not being able to play instruments. Vegans. My internet being unstable at times. Vegans. Damn you, Connect and Telecom Fiji. You vegan stuff not being plugged in. Vegans. Stuff breaking down. Vegans. Not being able to find stuff easily. Vegans. That stupid hat I wear. Vegans. It's all because of vegans. I have to wear that because of the vegans. It's the vegans' fault. My computer not being able to keep up when I'm doing mildly taxing video editing. Taxes. The left shift key not working properly half the time. Damn you vegans. Okay, this room is done now. I mean, like all these little irritating things, man. Like, seriously, vegans, why you keep doing this stuff to us? Like, why you gotta do all this stuff to us? Untidy beds. Vegans. Laundry. Vegans. Me being ugly. Vegans. My drawer breaking. Vegans. The price of clothes. Vegans. The slowdown of the economy in this country. Vegans. Running out of toilet paper. Vegans. Water heater not working properly. Vegans. Mold in general. Vegans. This old TV not being set up properly. Veganism. My weight. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's the vegans. The vegans did all these ties. All these ties. There are just so many goddamn ties here. I mean, like, look at this. Damn you, vegans. Damn you. And remember, this is tradition. You can't question it or make fun of it if it's tradition. That's how stuff works, okay? Don't make fun of this. Don't question this. Do not question this. This is tradition. Don't stop doing it. These towels being slippery when wet. Vegans. Laundry. Vegans. Garbage. Vegans. Rust. Vegans. I also have some of these party poppers or champagne poppers as some people call them. These things are great. First, they explode and drive away all the vegans. Then they spray out confetti, making stuff more pleasant. They're like a little shot of enchantment. They can just be like easily carried and deployed instantly. And they work really well on like individual objects. Anyways, I'm going to use some of these to enchant the dogs. Fluffy, there we go, that'll do. Look at Fluffy. Yeah, I don't think it's coming back. If you. If people. Yeah, I'm done now. I think I need to go and clean up the place. Yeah. Damn you, vegans.